Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill again using a short story or English in situation. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Okay, are you ready? Please listen and repeat after me. Peter North is a journalist. He was in Mexico City last week. But now he is in London. He is talking to his friends. His friends want to know about the weather, the climate, and the food in Mexico City. Well, please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, and you should also try to memorize the story and try to retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Okay? Listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Peter North is a journalist. He was in Mexico City last week, but now he is in London. He is talking to his friends. His friends want to know about the weather, the climate, and the food in Mexico City. Well, do you still remember the story? Can you retell the story? Well, now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Is Peter North a film director? Question number 2. What is Peter North's job? Question number 3. Was he in Mexico City last week? The next question. Where is he now? The next question. What is he doing there? Is he talking to his parents? Is he talking to his friends? Do his friends want to know about the culture in Mexico City? The last question. What do his friends want to know about Mexico City? Okay? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.